Hello everyone, here's another tutorial. This time I'm going to be doing opposing viewpoints. So I'm going to click on databases from the home page of the library. I'm going to click O here, and then I'm going to look for opposing viewpoints in context. Now this is another multiple subject database where you can get peer-reviewed magazines and newspaper articles. So just go ahead and start with a search string. So I just started with social media addiction. I just wanted to see what was out there on this subject. So I'm going to start with academic journals, the peer-reviewed. Let's see, I have a few to choose from. There's only 7, so I would probably want to broaden this out if I can't find anything. I do like this top one right up here. See, here's the methods that they're using in their research, the results, the conclusions. So you could definitely tell that this is a peer-reviewed article. Let's see. Yeah, so this one looks really good. Statistical methods. Okay, and it definitely has enough words. So let's go up here and get the permalink and the citation. And let's look at see what else. There's related subjects you could always click on. There's more articles that deal with the mental disorder of social media addiction or gaming addiction is now a mental disorder. Okay. So yes, would be a very good article to use. Okay, so let's go back and get a second peer-reviewed article. Let's go back to results. Now, some of the things you can do is filter. You can click on the publication date, 2010 to 2020. Do subjects, documentation type. You can click on different subjects. Let's go to social media. And that brought it down to 5, and we didn't have too many to begin with. But maybe there might be something that I'm really looking for, and that search helped me narrow it. I can also do a search within. Click on the search within button and click on anything. Like try cyberbullying. Social media addiction linked to cyberbullying. See, but this is a report and it's not a peer-reviewed. So let's go back. I'm going to have to go back once more. So I had to keep clicking the back button until I got back to my academic journals. And then this one down at the bottom looked pretty interesting. And this is from the PLOS one. These are definitely peer-reviewed, researched journal magazines type. They publish all kinds of research articles from different universities. So these are all definitely peer-reviewed. It's very famous for doctors publishing their research in. So let's go down here. Okay, so this one looks really good too. So I would grab this one, get the permalink and the citation. And so while I'm here, I see that there's newspaper articles here, so I might as well grab my one newspaper article. And I found this one by the Washington Post down here. Let's click on that. It does have enough words, so it's long enough for an annotation. And this looks very decent too. So I would grab that one, get the link and the citation. So now I would just need my 2 magazine articles. So I basically just undid all my filters and just typed in my search string all over again, just to start over. And I ended up with magazines here. And I like this one just because I like the title, Twitter Quitter. This one it's actually kind of funny too. Um, and you can always get a citation from down at the bottom too if you didn't want to get it up at the top. So yeah, I like this one. This does have enough words. It's from the National Review. So I would grab this one. And let's go back and get one more. Okay, so I like this one at the top too. Anybody who has repetitive stress injuries, social media and repetitive stress injuries as their topic might want to look at some of these too. Um, definitely long enough. It looks pretty good. We are wired to identify danger. Nice. Okay, so this one looks good. There's related subjects over here. You can get articles that are deal with some of the same things, eye fatigue and extra screen time. So I would get this one too. And that is pretty much it for opposing viewpoints. You can always do the advanced search where it's going to pop up all these different boxes and you can keep using and or till your heart's content, keep adding rows. It even gives you some little reminders down here about nesting, quotation marks, wildcards. Um, so this is another great database to get your peer-reviewed, your magazine, and your newspaper articles all in one spot. So if you have any questions, email me, okay?